Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Lan Yuan, the professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about Western restaurant. We're going to learn new characters and new words related to it. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website. If you have any suggestion of our course, just comment below. And let's start our course today. Let's look at these three characters. We have learned all of them before. 西 which means Western, and 餐厅 which means restaurant. 餐 which means food, eat. It's related, you can use to form any words related to eating or foods or dishes. And 厅 which means room or hall, so 餐厅 which means restaurant. And 西 which means Western, so this is Western restaurant. Flatten, 西餐厅, read after me. 西餐厅, 西餐厅. So first of all, 番茄酱. 番茄 which means tomato. 番 flatten, 茄 second turn. 番茄番茄酱 first turn. 番茄酱番茄酱番茄酱 read after me. And then pepper shaker, 胡椒瓶, and it literally means pepper bottle. 胡椒瓶, so first pepper, 胡椒胡椒胡 second tone, 椒 flatten, 胡椒胡椒瓶 bottle, 瓶 second tone, 瓶胡椒瓶. And then salt shaker and sugar jar. 糖罐 sugar jar. 糖罐糖 second tone, 罐 first tone. 糖罐糖罐 salt shaker or salt bottle or salt jar. 盐瓶盐瓶 both second tone. 盐瓶盐瓶 spoon 勺子勺子勺 read after me. 勺 second tone. 子 light tone. 勺子 plate 盘子盘子盘子 fork 叉子叉子叉子叉子 knife 刀子刀子刀子刀 flatten. And then table napkin 餐巾餐巾餐巾餐 which means it's related to eating, and 巾 flatten napkin. 餐巾 wine glass 高脚杯高 means high, 脚 means foot. So this part of the glass which we use it to indicate it's a foot, and 高脚 means this part is very long, it's very high. 杯 glass 高脚杯高脚杯高脚杯 straw 吸管吸管吸管吸 flatten which means sock. 管 third tone which means hole. 吸管吸管 ice cube 冰块冰块冰块 Sometimes you can call it, you can omit the R here, just call it 冰块, but most of the time people call it 冰块冰块 ice water 冰水冰水冰水 no smoking area 无烟区区 which means area. 无烟区无 no none 烟 smoking. 无烟区 read after me. 无烟区无烟区 high chair, children's chair, 儿童椅儿童 we have learned before, which means child, children. 椅 chair 儿童椅 儿童椅 children's menu 儿童菜单菜 which means dishes 单 which means menu 儿童菜单儿童菜单菜单 menu 儿童菜单 and then appetizer 开胃品开胃品开 means open 胃 means your stomach 品means dishes so appetizer 开胃品开 flat tone 胃 first tone 品 third tone 开胃品开胃品 and then soup flat tone 汤汤汤 salad we just translated from the sound 沙拉沙拉 it's not salad it's 沙拉沙拉 or 色拉 most of the people in Hong Kong, Taiwan, or Guangdong speak like this. When they speak Mandarin, they will call it 色拉. This is just some translation difference. 沙拉色拉沙拉色拉 and then entry 主菜主菜主菜主 means main 菜 means dishes 主菜 and then pizza 披萨饼披萨饼披萨饼 or you can just literally call it 披萨披萨披萨 and then hot dog 热狗 you just directly translate 热 which means hot 狗 which is dog 热狗热狗热狗 spaghetti 意大利面意大利 which means Italian and 意大利 which means Italy 意大利 first tone 意大利面 first tone 面意大利面意大利面 hamburger 汉堡汉堡汉堡 French fries 薯条薯 which means tomato 条 which means stick 薯条薯条薯条薯条 French fries and then lasagna 千层面 read after me 千层面千层面千 flat tone 层 second tone 面 first tone 千层面千层面 steak 牛排 second tone 牛排牛排 sandwich 三明治三明治三明治三 flat tone means second tone 治 first tone 三明治三明治 So this is the course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words today, and I hope you can do some review, and don't forget to check the homework. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. And if you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bell icon so that you can get notification for the next video. Thanks again. If you have any suggestions, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. So anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.